It's a kind of amusement park.
Oh, okay.
Where you can swim.
Okay.
With many rides.
Oh, this is the new water park.
Yes.
This is a new water park in Hua Hin. Yes. Okay.
This is the first time
Yeah, this is brand new.
I hear this. I heard about
a new water park in Hua Hin. Great.
The new one, right?
And Swiss sheep farm. Yeah.
Okay.
That's near Hua Hin. Black Mountain.
F-A-R-M.
Good.
Yes.
That's all right. And okay, Black Mountain.
Black Mountain.
Okay.
This one.
It's okay.
Good.
Don't worry, everybody. Don't worry about spelling. And Hua Hin Beach, Santorini. Okay. In Hua Hin.
Cham.
Okay.
Amusement park.
Another amusement park.
Yes.
Shopping mall. Like
เช่น show me the name ชื่ออะไร shopping mall คือกว้างๆเป็นห้างอะไรคะ like market village
Okay, like Market Village.
Uh-huh.
And of course Palu Waterfall.
Okay.
And Cham Beach. Khao Wang. Good.
Khao Wang. It's in Phetchaburi. This place is on the top of the mountain.
Okay.
Can you see?
Is it a temple?
It's a kind of temple and a palace.
Okay.
In the old day. Right, Khao Wang Palace. And
Sakata and Hua Hin Station.
Hua Hin Railway Station.
Good.
It's like a symbol.
Right.
It's a symbol
Right.
of Hua Hin.
Good. And music room? What's that?
Music room is a kind of restaurant.
It's a restaurant.
Where can you listen to the music happily?
Okay.
While you are eating, you having dinner.
I see.
They love it. They recommend you to go there.
I'll try it.
Yes.
Sounds good. And Hua Hin Market. Okay, very good. All right. So we have all of these places today. All right, very good. Now, today we're going to have a conversation model and conversation practice. Okay. Number one, everybody, find a partner. Okay, find a partner. Practice the conversation. After you finish, change roles and practice again. Okay? You don't have to write it down.
Practice until
Just
you
practice.
remember them, the conversation.
So first, let's try the night market. Okay? So, everybody, don't write in your notebook. Don't write in your notebook.
ทำไมคะห้ามเขียนค่ะห้าม
But practice with your partner. Okay? Okay.
Okay so please face your partner หันเข้าหาคู่เลยค่ะหันเข้าหาคู่ตัวเองค่ะหันเข้าหาคู่เอางี้ดีกว่าหันกลับหลังหันหลังกลับแล้วจะเจอคู่ตัวเองนะคะนักเรียนมีทีวีดูด้านหน้าด้านหลัง
Just a few minutes. Okay?
หาคู่ค่ะหาคู่หันเข้าหาคู่เลยโอเคไม่มีคู่เดี๋ยวคู่กับครูรู้สึกดีใจนะโอเค you can practice with teacher Andy teacher Edward
Okay.
ใครไม่มีคู่มา practice กับ teacher Edward เหมียวมา practice กับ teacher Edward เหมียวมา she doesn't have the partner can you be your partner yes เหมียวมา
Okay. All
she
right.
is a good one
Okay.
yes okay ฝึกกับคุณครู Edward ไป
We'll practice here.
ฝึกไปเรื่อยๆ
So,
สอน
what are some good places to visit in Hua Hin? Really? Venison. Sounds interesting. Tell me about it. I see. Thank you. Let's do it once again. Hi, so what are some good places to visit around Hua Hin?
You should go to Venezia.
Ah, Venetia. Tell me about it. Sounds interesting.
It's very beautiful. It's like Venezuela as Italy.
Really?
Yes, you can gondola. It have gondola boats. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds wise. I'll try to go there this weekend.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Can you give the chance to other students that they can practice with you? Okay, one more.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe ice. Pang Pon, you got the chance to practice with teacher
Maybe.
Edward. Ice, come on. Practice with teacher Edward.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Right here. นักเรียนมีโอกาสแล้วฝึกพูดกับคุณครูเอ็ดเวิร์ดได้เลยนะคะ
Thank you. Great work. Wonderful. Okay. Thanks everybody. Great work. Fantastic. Now, let's look at the front, please, and watch some more practice.
นักเรียนฝึกไปได้กันสักครู่แล้วใช่ไหมคะ ทีนี้ลองดูเพื่อนเราได้มีโอกาสฝึกกับคุณครูเอ็ดเวิร์ดแล้วนะคะ ลองฟัง Please be quiet.
So, hi. Both are okay.
It must be
You can use this,
or other.
or you can make a new conversation. Up to you.
Up to you.
Okay. So, tell me, what are some good places to visit around Hua Hin?
This is a Hua Hin Beach.
Hua Hin Beach?
Yes.
Sounds very nice. Tell me about it.
The Hua Hin Beach is very beautiful.
You need help?
Yeah. It's very beautiful. You can swimming this, and there are lots of people.
Really?
Yes.
So you can go swimming?
Yes.
Oh, wow, and lots of people.
Yes.
So it's very exciting
Yes.
and interesting. Great.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, very nice.
She is so
Okay,
excited.
give her a okay, one more.
One more.
That was really good.
Anyone? Anyone want to get the chance to practice with teacher Edward?
Perhaps a gentleman?
ไป
Okay, have a
ดี
gentleman
มา
up
ก
here.
นะคะน่ารักมากนะคะพวกเราเนี่ยมีโอกาสแล้วรีบเลยนะคะโอเค
Okay. Do you want to do this? You want a new one? New?
อะไรก็ได้ที่ไหนหรือที่เดิมก็ได้ลูกอันใหม่หรืออันเก่าลูกอันที่เหมือนไอซ์โอเคหมายถึงสถานที่คือไนท์มาร์เก็ตไหมชามบีช
Okay, let's try this one now.
โอ
Okay?
เค
Ready?
ใกล้หน่อยลูก
Hi. So, tell me, what are some good places to visit in Hua Hin?
Yeah, you should go to Sham Beach.
John Beach.
Yes.
Really? Sounds nice.
It's so beautiful beach and you can eat Europe food, seafood, Thai food, and you can see kids, crab, fish and jellyfish.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So you can eat lots of food.
Yes.
Oh, great. Sounds nice.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, good work. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Very nice.
That's great
Okay. Very nice. All right? Okay. So, everybody, I think that's good. Now, please look at the PowerPoint. Okay? Everybody, you should have written this already. Everybody, if you're watching on TV, we did this in yesterday's class, so this should be in your notebook already. But if it isn't, please write it quickly now. Okay?
โอเค ฟอร์มนี้ถ้าเกิดว่านักเรียนเขียนหรือยังคะ เขียนลงไปหรือยังคะ ไหนใครเขียนแล้วฟอร์มนี้ตั้งแต่เมื่อวานนี้ใครเขียนแล้วยกมือขึ้น ฝั่งนี้เยอะแยะเลย ฝั่งนู้นก็ทหารอากาศทั้งนั้นเลยนะคะ โอเค
Okay?
ถ้ายังให้เขียนลงไปค่ะ
All right?
1
Now,
minute นักเรียนกลับที่ได้แล้วก็เขียนลงไปนะคะใครยังไม่ได้เขียนลงไปใครเขียนแล้วฝึกหาข้อมูลมาใส่ If some of them finish writing so
they can start to practice.
they need to add some information right ใครเขียนเสร็จแล้วนักเรียนไม่ต้องรอเพื่อนหาข้อมูลใส่ช่องว่างไปเลยค่ะจะเอาที่ไหนใส่หรือยังคะใส่แล้วถ้าใส่แล้ว practice with your partner ใครใส่แล้วฝึกพูดกับเพื่อนเอาให้ได้เลยค่ะนักเรียน yes เมื่อวานครูให้ใส่ข้อมูลด้วยปากกาสีอะไรคะ สีอะไรคะ สีแดงนักเรียนจะได้เห็นชัดเจนนะคะ ตรงไหนขีดเส้นใต้ก็